Good morning, everyone. This is our report of Group 3, gas. Factors affecting the rate of chemical reaction. Chemical reaction happen all around us, such as burning fuel, digesting food, casting of iron, and even the formation of diamonds. These reactions do not all happen at the same speed. Some occur very fast, while others take many years. The study of fast reactions occur and what affects their speed is called chemical kinetics. So, ang chemical reaction daw po, ito daw po yung isang proseso kung saan nagbabago ang isang reactants at nagiging bagong product. So, ang bibigay ko dito simple example is kunyari, nagsinti ka ng papel. Di ba pag sinindi mo ang papel, magiging ash siya yun. Magiging iba yung papel. Parang, chemical reaction, yung magiging, example. Tapos, this study is yung chemical kinetics, ito daw po yung isang branch of chemistry that studies how fast chemical reaction happen and what factors affect their speed. A chemical reaction happens when particles of substances called reactants collide with each other. However, not all collisions lead to a reaction. For a collision to be successful, two conditions must met. Activation energy, yung EA, is the minimum energy needed to start a chemical reaction. It is like pushing a ball up a hill. If there is not energy, the ball will not reach the top. Once the activation energy is reached, the reaction can continue and create or form products. Dito sa activation energy, itong activation energy, ito daw po yung parang products na mag-collide dun sa isang bagay. Kunyari ito. May tinatawag din na dito nga, balikan natin ito, yung hindi sila, may reactants na hindi mabilis, hindi mabagal. Pag sila collide. Kunyari na lamang, yung diamonds, di ba? Para siyang particles na nabubuo. Di ba? Tapos yung diamond, siya, slow reaction. Tapos yung sinabi kong example, yung papel na sinunog mo, fast reaction. Siya, parang sa fast reaction, parang makikita mo agad yung bagong product na mabubuo. Yun nga, yung ash. Tapos yung sa diamond, yun nga, kasi yung diamond nabubuo siya many or years. Tapos factors that affect the rate of a chemical reaction. Ang dito, ang nakaka-affect dun sa reaction ng basta yung reaction ng chemical is meron tayong apat. Yung pang-una, nature and concentration of reactants. Higher concentration means more particles leading to more pollution and faster reactions. Tapos yung pangalawa is temperature. Higher temperature gives particles more energy, increasing the chance of effective pollution. Kasi yung pang-tatlo is surface area of solid reactants. Smaller pieces expose more surface area, allowing more pollutions. Tapos yung pang-apat naman is ang presence of a catalyst. A catalyst speeds up reactions by lowering the activation energy without being used up. According to the collusion theory, the rate of reaction depends on how often particles collide and how many of those collisions are effective. More particles and more energy result in more successful collision, making the reaction faster.
Nandito sa factors that affect the rate of a chemical reaction, meron po tayo ditong apat. At ito yung sa akin, yung nature and concentration of nature and concentration of reactant, the physical and chemical properties of reacting substance affect reaction rate. Nang sabi po dito, ang physical and chemical daw po, na katangian ay, sangkap daw po ng pagre-react, nakaka-apekto daw po din ito sa reaction. Some of these properties include physical state, reactivity, and bond strength. For example, methane gas or CH is easier to burn than solid naphthalene or C10H8, a component of mothball, because the solid form needs to vaporize first before it can react with oxygen gas. Sabi po dito, kasama daw po sa isang katangian ang physical state. Tapos, reactivity and bond strength. Di ba po, naghalimbawa ng mga ako dito sa methane gas, is easier to the solid form needs to vaporize the first before it can react with oxygen. Ang naphthalene daw po ay isang sangkap ng mothball dahil kailangan munang mag-vaporize ang solid bago ito maki-react sa oxygen. And since methane is already in the gaseous state, it can burn faster than naphthalene. And furthermore, solid or Na metal react vigorously with water, while silver is Ag, metal does not at all. Likewise, reaction that involves mainly ionic interaction react rapidly, while those involving molecular compounds tend to be slower. Ang dito sa concentration naman, concentration refers to the amount of substance per unit volume. Since chemical reactions are usually carried out in solution, the concentration of reactants is an important factor that influence reactions rate. Ang meaning daw ng M is morality. Morality is the most common way of expressing concentration. It is defined as moles of solute per life of solution. In conclusion, the rate of chemical reaction depends on the effectiveness of particles, pollution, and the nature of reactant. When the particles collide with the correct orientation and enough energy, the reaction becomes more successful. The physical and chemical properties of substance such as their state and reactivity also affect how fast they act. Additionally, reactions occurs faster when the concentration of reactant is higher because more particles are available to collide. This show that both proper particles orientation and the amount of reactant play important role in speeding up and ensuring the success of chemical reaction.
Mamili muna po ako ng pauman din kasi hindi ko po naisulat ang aking topic. I-explain ko na lang po sa inyo. The page explains two major factors that affect the rate, speed of chemical reaction. First is concentration, second is temperature. The effect of concentration. When there are more reactant particles in a certain volume, collision happen more often. The reaction becomes faster. Example, magnesium reacting with hydraulic acid. In concentrated HCl, there are more H plus ion around the magnesium. Since more particles are present, collision happen more frequently. This makes the reaction faster in a dilute solution. More concentration, more collision, faster reaction. Number 2 is effect of temperature. Temperature changes kinetic energy movement of particles. Low temperature particles move slowly, fewer have enough energy to react. High temperature particles move faster, more collision and more particles can react. This is shown in figure 4 and 6. Explain the graph shows two curves. Given low temperature, fewer particles have high energy, only a small number can reach the reaction energy. T2, high temperature, more particles move faster. A great fraction have enough energy to become the activation energy. The activation energy, EA, is the minimum energy needed for the reaction to start at high temperature. Now, E2, more particles can because EA reaction is faster. Real life example, refrigerator. The text on 6 place, while one is placed in the refrigerator. At low temperature, reaction causes both to spoil or slow down because particles have less kinetic energy, fewer can react. Low temperature, slow reaction, less spoilage. Short summary. Higher concentration, more particles, more pollution. Higher temperature, faster moving particles. More pollution with enough energy, faster reaction. The graph shows that at higher temperature, more particles can react because they have enough energy. Yun lang.
Bilangin ko, naramdaman mo kung may kuryente. Meron pala.
Kapag mas maraming naka-expose, mas maraming pollution na nangyayari, kaya mas mabilis ang reaction. Ginagamit din natin ang fuels na ang nagaling sa dating forms na aqua, meaning water. Ibig sabihin nito ay dissolved in water ang substance at nilalagay ang tinulog kapag pinapaliit Ang particle size, tulad ng pagputol, pagdurog o paggawa ng boundaries. Malaki ang surface area. Mas exposed ang solid at mas maraming collision sites. Kaya mas mabilis matunaw ang powder kaysa sa sugar cube. Ganoon din sa magnesium at hydrochloric acid. Mabagal ang reaksyon kapag buo ang pero kapag hiniwa ito into smaller pieces, mas malaki ang surface area at mas
Pumutot ko
maliit
nun.
ang reaction.
Hindi ako nagano. Pero ako daw.
Explanation
Pero ako
of
daw.
diagram.
Nababa pa na ako ganyan tulos.
What diagram is?
Ang
The
mga
graph
ano.
compares two reactions.
Ha?
One with a catalyst, the third
Gawin
one.
yung
One with a catalyst, the short graph. Both reactions
Screenshot ko
start
dyan.
with the same reactants and end with the same products. Activation energy is the minimum energy needed for a reaction to begin. In the graph,
pinalat ka dyan Marco.
without
Pinapit ka.
catalyst high, activation energy reduced. With catalyst low activation energy smaller. A catalyst lower the activation energy making the reaction happen faster. Example reaction hydrogen peroxide. The text gives an example using hydrogen peroxide. H2O2. Reaction 2H2O2. 2H2O2 plus O2. This reaction is very slow at room temperature. How to make it faster? At manganese dioxide, MnO2 is a catalyst. It is speed up the decomposition. Use catalyst. Catalyst is an enzyme found in living organisms. It also speed up the breakdown of H2O2. Both MnO2 and catalase make the reaction faster but are not consumed in the reaction. Catalase in living enzymes. Biological catalysts are called enzymes. They speed up reaction in the body, help in breathing, digestion, self-repair and more. Perform in almost all living organisms. Downside of catalysts. Catalysts can also make harmful reactions faster. Example: fluoride atoms from CnCs, fluorocarbons can catalyze the destruction of ozone in the stratosphere. Ozone protects Earth from harmful UV radiation, so it's breakdown. Catalysts speed up chemical reactions by lowering the activation energy. Reactants and products stay the same, only the speed changes. MnO2 and catalysts are examples of catalysts. Catalysts can also cause harmful effects like cell depletion.